Today we will show you how to install the Garmin Dash Cam Mini in a 2021 Toyota RAV4. Because this Toyota RAV4 does not have ambient light in the tray area, we have a small opening here, a hole where the ambient light would normally be. Because of that, we'll be able to install the wiring for the dash cam and hide all the wires very conveniently. Dash Cam Mini comes with this type of connector, which will actually go through that hole, allowing us to route the wire through the hole, then underneath there, and then we'll go up to the dash cam itself. And shortly we'll show you guys how it looks like. First we will remove the glove box. And now we will try to use this space to fish our wire. And now we can guide the wire through this small hole. When you try to reach the wire from this side, you may or may not be successful, because it's a little bit tricky. If you're not, we can also disassemble this part, so we can remove the tray, and this will provide us a little bit more space. There's a small pin that needs to be removed. So, as you see, this is our wire. Yeah, and now we're able to pull it through like that. So let's put everything back. So now we have very easy access to the USB port. So you're just using the USB port, and now the socket is still available, that 12-volt socket. Because the Garmin Dash Cam doesn't have its own screen, we'll be using the Garmin Drive App, which you can download to your smartphone. We'll be using it to view live feed. Right now we can see the light has changed to blue, which means right now the camera and the smartphone are communicating with each other, and shortly we'll see the live picture from the dashcam. As you can see right now, yes, we can see exactly what the camera shows. This will help us to properly position the camera on the windshield. This way, yeah, now we can clearly see the road ahead of us, and also we are avoiding the black plastic cover in the middle of the windshield. Pretty convenient. Now we can proceed with our wire installation. There is some plastic trim underneath here. We can hide the wire on top of it and just secure it with some tape. Glove box goes back in place. The installation is complete. Here's our dash cam mini. As you can see, the wire takes this pass, goes underneath the weather stripping, underneath the glove box, through this plastic console, and reaches our USB port through this small hole. You can use the USB port if you want, or you can use a 12-volt socket with the USB if you like that. And now we'll go for a short drive and show you guys how the Dashcam Mini records the video.